Hey guys, my name is Divya. I am a doctor and I have been in a management role with a healthcare company for a while. I've been taking a series of management exams for the last decade, and I've been making a series of videos on my channel to help everybody in the community get certified. One of the series I've been doing is the PMP series. It's how to get PMP certified, what to do, what not to do. I really hope that these videos are helping you. If they are, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It would help me be motivated and make more videos. Okay guys, so today I want to answer the question as to how long should you be studying for the PMP exam? Loaded question. I will try not to make this a very long video. I will try and make it a shorter but a chatty video. So I do hope it helps. So guys, think about it, okay? PMP is an intense exam. If you look at the PMBOK, it's pretty daunting. It's about 700 pages. If you look at Rita Mulcahy, it's about 600 to 700 pages with lots of good information in there and tons to do. So this is a recognized certification and deserves your time. I won't beat around the bush, but I'll give you the answer right away. You should be investing about 5 to 6 months of your time studying for this exam. Okay, don't get angry. I know I didn't say 1 month. I know I didn't say a couple of months. I said 5 to 6 months. So please don't be mad. Let me explain myself. So what I'm talking about is the entire journey. The entire journey of your decision to take the PMP all the way to the day that the message appears that you passed and you're PMP certified now. So the entire journey includes the decision, includes the application, includes sourcing, procuring the resources, the materials to study, includes a variety of steps. And the most important thing about saying that you should be investing 6 months of your time for this certification, the most important thing is that you will not be studying every day. So let's be truthful to ourselves and say that this entire journey takes about 5 to 6 months. The application takes a while, the review takes a while, the fact that you get approved takes a while, and then you're gathering your books and notes, figuring out a study plan, figuring out a schedule. How are you going to do this? How are you not going to do this? All these things, all this processing takes a while. So what ends up happening in these 6 months is that you end up achieving a lot of things. Documentation, if you get stuck in an audit, then you ensure that you go through the audit. Just follow the steps, go through the audit, and you will pass. People who are honest always pass the audit, so I don't think it should be something that you should be scared about. So all these things are included in my 6-month time frame. The actual studying is about 3 to 4 months, because you're not studying every day, right? You're a working full-time professional. You have a family. You have tons of other responsibilities. There are going to be days you're not going to be able to study because your child is sick. Your family needs you. Work needs you. You have extra hours to put in there. There are those days that you're going to be extremely tired to look at a book, but even to lie down. Maybe you're too fatigued to even lie down and rest. Those things happen. So we have to factor all that into account and come up with a schedule or a duration. So I am saying that study whenever you can, as much as you can, but don't make it a commitment on yourself to study every day, because with all these responsibilities and commitments, that's just too much of a burden. And you do want to enjoy your journey, your PMP journey. So take 5 to 6 months, make that decision, ensure that you finish the application, start studying with the best resources out there, start cracking questions, join a WhatsApp group or some kind of study group so that you're with like-minded people who are taking the PMP, and in no time you're going to be PMP certified. So please mark my words. I said take 6 months for the entire duration, and the actual study time would probably be 3 to 4 months, because you're not studying 8 to 9 hours a day. You're not studying every day. Once again, I really hope these videos are helping you. Thank you so much for watching.